My name is Tom Pitt. I'm the automotive instructor for Hardin County Schools Early College and Career Center.
Hi, I'm Brittany Doherty, reporting for Grinding Gears, and we asked automotive students questions about topics they've been learning about. Let's see if they've been paying attention.
Depends on the low side are 30 and 87.
87 and 30.
The normally clothespin of a 5-pin relay is 87A.
87.
The lubricant in the middle of an electrical solder is rosin.
10 or lead.
Solenoids can be relays, but aren't always, and then all relays are solenoids.
A relay controls high amperage circuits with low amperage, or it controls high amp with low amp. A solenoid activates and closes a circuit with one motion.